Good afternoon, boys and girls. Good afternoon. Hello. Now today we start the what a new topic, genetic code. Genetic code. Very good. Now we start the what a new topic, genetic codes. These are very important for board level as well as in NEET level also. So very important. Okay. What is the importance of genetic code? Genetic code. Genetic code. Genetic code. See this genetic before translation, we discuss the word as genetic code because of what is the genetic code important? Say in genetic code, each amino acid is coded to the what? 3 letters. Each amino acid is coded to the what? 3 letters. It's called triplet. It's called what? A triplet. Okay. Now in RNA, like mRNA, have how many nitrogen bases? In RNA, have how many nitrogen bases? 4 nitrogen bases, na? In the RNA, have what? How many nitrogen bases? 4 nitrogen bases. Like uracil, okay, and then adenine A, and then guanine, and then cytosine, right? There are 4 nitrogen bases. 4 nitrogen bases. 4 nitrogen bases in mRNA, right? In a mRNA. अपन एक mRNA स्टैंड देखे तो उस पे कितना नाइट्रोजन बेसेस रहता? How many nitrogen bases are there on the mRNA strand? How many types I am telling? How many types of nitrogen bases? 4 types. Like U means uracil, A means adenine, G means guanine, and C means cytosine. Clear? Yes. So in our body, how many amino acids synthesize the proteins? How many amino acids are synthesize the proteins? 20 amino acids. Okay. 20 amino acids. 20 amino acids are 20 amino acids are synthesize the what? Proteins. 20 amino acids are synthesize the proteins. Now we are code to the what? The 20 proteins, 20 amino acids, sorry, 20 amino acids. अब ये 20 amino acids को कोड करना, 20 amino acids को कोड करना. अब देखेंगे how many nitrogen bases we have in the RNA? How many nitrogen bases? 4 nitrogen bases. Now this 4 indicates the what are nitrogen bases. If these 4 nitrogen bases, it's code to the what are 20 amino acids, 1 codon. If the 20 amino acids code to the what are 1 codon. How many nitrogen bases? 4 nitrogen bases. Okay, so 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 into 1 equal to what? 4. एक लेटर से कोड किया तो कितना कोडांस आता? कितना कोडांस आता? 4 कोडांस आता. Understood? These 4 are bases on the mRNA. If that code to the what amino acid to single letter, so 4 into 1 equal to 4. How many codons? 4 codons are there. 4 codons are formed, or 4 codons are formed if one letter is code to the what amino acid. So here amino acids are how many amino acids? How many amino acids are there? कितना है इधर amino acids? कितना amino acids है? 20 amino acids है. So वो amino acid को एक लेटर से कोड किया तो कितना कोड आया? 4 कोड आया. So remaining 16 amino acids are not code. Remaining 16 amino acids are not code to the not code. Remaining 16 amino acids are not coded. Clear? अब if 4 नाइट्रोजन बेसेस को 2 लेटर से कोड ऑन किया तो कितना था 4 into 4 equal to 16. 16 इधर अमीनो एसिड्स कितना है 20 अमीनो एसिड्स है mean remaining 4 amino acids are not coded, right? So here 16 amino acids are not coded if give the word one letter, if give the word two letters, if give the word two letters, how many 4 amino acids are not coded, right? 4 amino acids are not coded, 4 amino acids are not coded. अब देखो सेम 4 नाइट्रोजन बेसेस अब 3 लेटर से कोड किया, 3 लेटर से कोड किया क्या होता देखो इधर 4 into 4 into 4 4 4s are 16 16 4s are 64 16 4s are 64 64 codons are 64 codons are formed if code to the 3 letters. These are enough to the what code to the amino acid 20 amino acids, right? Out of 64 codons, how many codons are there? 64 codons. Out of 64 codons, 63 codons are code to the amino acid. Remaining 3 codons are 61. I am telling. Out of 64, 61 codons are 61 codons are. Codons means code. It's a code. Codons means nothing but code to the amino acid. Okay, 61 codons are code to the amino acid. Code to the amino acid. 3 codons does not. 3 codons does not code to the amino acid. Amino acid is called stop codon or nonsense codons. Okay, so amino acids are code to the how many letters? 3 letters. That's why it's called triplet. It's called what a triplet. Note down this. So totally how many codons are there? Total how many codons? Total how many codons? Total how many codons are there? Total how many codons, girls and boys? Total how many codons are there? Total 64 codons, right? That's 60. Out of 64 codons, how many codons are coded to the amino acids? Yes, 64 codons. How many codons are coded to the amino acids, sir? Yes, very good. 61 codons are coded to the amino acid. How many codons does not code to the amino acid? How many codons does not code to the amino acid? Very good. 3 codons does not code to the amino acid. Note down. Now we see the genetic code table. अब टेबल देखेंगे कौन सा अमीनो एसिड ओके कौन सा कोड से कोड बनेगा देखेंगे अब राइट नोट डाउन दिस over. So 3 codons are called. The 3 codons does not code the amino acid na. So such 3 codons are called what? Are you audible to you? The 3 codons are does not code the amino acid. Very good. Stop codons are nonsense. Stop codons are nonsense codons. Right. Now take a pin paper now. Take a pin paper. All of you take a pin paper. Okay, so 64 codons are code to the amino acid. Not out of 64, only 61 codons are code to the amino acid. Okay, remaining 3 codons are does not code to the amino acid, right? Okay, now we see. Take a pen paper, ma. Take a pen paper. अब देखो, ये first position. These are what like this arrow mark. This arrow mark is first position. First position है. First position पे लिख लो U C. Wait. You want space, more space. इधर लिख लो U C A G. U means uracil, C means cytosine. U means uracil, C means cytosine. A means adenine, G means guanine. Okay, these are first position. First position. Okay. Next. अब ऐसा डाल लो. These are second position. Second position. Second position also like U C A G. ये क्या है? नाइट्रोजन बेस है. U means uracil, C means cytosine, A means adenine, G means guanine. Okay. Then अब देखो और एक लाइन डालो इधर ऐसा. Okay. इधर एक लाइन. Right. एक लाइन U का, C का एक, A का एक एंड G एक. राइट. अब देखो मैच करना. भाई क्या किया? फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे UCAG आई राइट इंडिविजुअली. फर्स्ट पोजीशन में फर्स्ट पोजीशन आई राइट U in one box, C in one box, A in one box, G in one box. And in the second position also U in one box, C in one box, A in one box, G in one box, right? And in third position, I write the water 4 nitrogen bases in one box. Okay, like UCAG एक ही बॉक्स में लिख ले रहा हूं. इधर भी UCAG एक बॉक्स में, इधर भी UCAG एक बॉक्स में, इधर भी UCAG वन बॉक्स. क्लियर? ये पोजिशंस क्लियर है क्या? फर्स्ट पोजिशन एंड सेकेंड पोजिशन वी राइट इंडिविजुअली, but in the third position write the what all 4 bases in one boxes, right? These are what third position. Third position. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Position 1 2 3. Any doubts, boys and girls? No. अब देखो ये मैच करना. फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे क्या है इधर? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पोजीशन? U, right? First position is U, second position is U, and in the third position first letter is U, right? And next one here, first position is U, second position is what? U, and third position second letter is C. Again write the first position U, then second position is U, and second position first letter, okay, and the third position third letter, right? And now first position U, second position also U, and third position fourth letter. इधर देखो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. First position second position is same, U, right? U. Here also first position second position U. First position second position U, right? But here small changes. What's that? Say in third position first letter is U now, that's why first codon is U, then C, then A, then G. Understood? मैं क्या किया? फर्स्ट पोजीशन सेकंड पोजीशन एज इट इज लिख ले रहा हूं इधर. U, first position U, and second position also U. So U. Okay, and then here first letter is what? U. So write the word U. And second letter is what? C. So second is C. Third is what? A. Now third is A. Now fourth is what? G. So fourth is G. It's clear? Javed, is it clear? Yeah. What about girls? Girls, it is clear? Now, match this second box. Match this second box. Second box में first position क्या है second box में? What is the first position in the second box? What is the first position in the second box? First position is C, and then second position is what? U. Now write the CU. ये तो constant है CU. Now what is the third position? First letter. Third position first letter is U. Okay. Third position second letter is C. Third position third letter is what? A. Fourth letter is G. Okay. Then here in the third box first letter is what? A. Second letter is what? Second U. Then write the AU. Now third position first letter is U. Second letter is what? C. Third letter is A. And fourth letter is G. Right? Now in the fourth box, what is the first letter? What is the first letter in the fourth box? First position, last letter is what? G. Now second position, U. Now write the GU. Okay. So third position first letter is U. Now write the first. And then third position second letter is what? C. Okay. Now third position third letter is A. Now third position third letter is G. Right? Now here. Now what is the first position here? What is the first position? U. Now here second position C. Now write the UC. Now third position first letter is U. Second letter C. Third letter A. Fourth letter G. Okay. Now here first position C. Second position C. Now write the C. Again third position first letter is U. Second letter is C. Third letter is A. Fourth letter is G. Right? Now in the first position A. And second position C. So write AC. Right? Next one. Third position first letter is U. Second letter is C. Third letter is A. Fourth letter is G. Then this box. What is the first letter here? What is the first letter here? What is the first letter in this box? First letter, first position G. Second position C. Now write the GC. Right? Now third position first letter is U. Second letter is C. Third letter is A. Fourth letter is G. Clear? Now next. Now this box. Third column. What is the first position? U. Second position A. Now write the UA 4 times. UA. Okay. Now what is the first letter? U. Second letter C. Third letter A. Fourth letter G. Now this box. First position is C. Second position is A. Now write the CA and CA. Right? In your first letter is what? The third position first letter is U. Second letter C. Third letter A. Fourth letter G. Right. Next, this box. A is the first position. Again, A is the first position. Right? Second position. First position A is there and second position also A is there. Note down A and AA. Right? So what is the first position here? U. Second C. Third A. Fourth G. Right? Now in here. First position is G. Second position is A. Now write the GA. Third position first letter. Third position first letter is U. Then C. Then A. Then G. Okay. now last row. First letter is U, second letter is G. Okay, now write the UG, UG, UG. Okay, now here U, first letter for third position, first letter U, second letter C, third letter A, third letter is what? A, and the fourth letter is G. Third position, fourth letter is G. Now here first position is C, second position G. Now write the C, G, C, G, C, G. Okay, so here first position, third position, first letter is U, second letter C, third letter A, fourth letter G. Next here, first position is A, second position is G. Okay, now write the A, G, A, G, A, G. Now here first, third position, first letter here, U, then C, then A, then G. Now if first position G, second position also G. Note down G, 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 and G, G. U, first, third position, first letter, second letter, third position C, third letter A, and fourth letter is G. Clear? So count down how many codons are there. 4 plus 4 8, 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 24, 28, 32, 32, 36, 40, 44, 44 plus 4 8, 48, 52, and this totally 64 codons are there total. Okay, now see, listen carefully. It's a very, very important for what a neat point of view. These two, which two? U, and UUC. It's code to the phenylalanine, PHE. Okay, from here UUA to CUG. It's code to the leucine, LEU, leucine. Okay, and these three codons, AUU to AUA, these are code to the isoleucine. Okay, AUG code to the methionine, MET, meta, and these four are code to the valine, VAL, valine. Okay, now these four are code to the alanine, alanine, alanine it's called. These four are code to the threonine, THR, threonine. These four are code to the proline, PRO. These four are code to the serine, SER. Okay, now these two are code to the tyrosine, TYR, tyrosine, and these two are stop codons, STOP. Okay, and these two are code to the histidine, HIS, and these two are code to the what? Glutamine, GLN. Okay, and these two are code to the aspargine, ASN, and these two are code to the lysine, LYS, and these two are code to the aspartic acid, amino acid, ASP, and these two are code to the what? Glutamic acid, GLU. Okay, and again these are code to the cysteine. These two are UGU, UGC is code to the cysteine, CYS, and this UGA is a stop codon. Okay, UGG is code to the tryptophan, TRP, tryptophan. Okay, again these four are code to the arginine, ARG, and these two are code to the serine, SER, and these two are code to the again arginine, ARG. Okay, these four are code to the glycine. These four are code to the glycine, GLY. Now in here, अब देखो, here separate the what? How many amino acids code to the 2 codons, 3 codons, 4 codons, 5 codons, 6 codons. These are important point in need point of view. Okay, अब देखो, 1 coded amino acid कितना है? 1 coded amino acid, this tryptophan, okay, and this methionine, tryptophan and methionine is a one coded amino acid. Okay, one coded amino acid. One coded amino acids are what? First one, methionine, AUG, 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 methionine, and next one is what? Tryptophan, UGG, second one, UGG, tryptophan, it's called to the tryptophan. Okay, next one, two coded amino acids. Next is two coded amino acids. How many are there? How many are there? Two coded amino acids. Say here. This box. Tyrosine. How many? UAC. It's coded two codons ना. एक UAU से कोड कर रहा और एक UAC से कोड कर रहा. Right? Next histidine देखो अब. ये भी two कोडान से कोड कर रहा. Histidine amino acid code to the CAU codon and also code to the CAC codon, right? And glutamine also code to the what are two codons? What the CAA and a CAG, two codons. Next one, asparagine also code to the two codons AAU, AAC. Lysine, triple A and a AAG is codon. Asparagine also code to the two codons. What that? GAU, GAC. Glutamic acid also code to the what? Two codons GAA1 and GAG2. Right? Any are there? No. Yeah, and these two. Cysteine also code to the two codons UGU and UGC. Right? Now to note down two coded amino acids here. What are there? Two coded amino acids. Tyrosine. Okay. UAU and UAC. These two are code to the what? Which amino acid? Tyrosine. Tyrosine. Okay. Then CAU. CAU and CAC. CAC. These two are code to the what? Histidine. Histidine. Okay. And CAA. CAA and CAG is code to the what? Glutamine. Glutamine. Okay. Then AAU and AAC is code to the asparagine. ASPERGIN, asparagine. Okay. Then triple A. इधर लिखूंगा. Then triple A and AAG is code to the which amino acid? Lysine. And then GAU and GAC. These two are code to the what? Aspartic acid. Okay. And then GAG is code to the what? Glutamic acid. Okay. And one more. CGU and UGC. CGU. इधर लिख लो. CGU. These two. CGU and UGC. UGU and UGC. These two are code to the cysteine. So how many amino acids are code to the two codons? How many amino acids? Tyrosine, histidine, glutamine, asparagine, lysine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, and सिस्टाइन. These are what two coded amino acids. ये अमीनो एसिड को 2 कोडान से कोड करेगा. Clear? Is it clear? Note down next 3 coded amino acids. Yes, these are leucine code. Malik. Upper side board is not visible, huh? Yeah, which one, ma? From here? From here? See UGU, UGC. UGU, UGC, it's code to the cysteine. From which part is not visible, ma? Anish. Yes, phenylalanine also. Very good. Who's this? Malik. Javed Malik. Very good. These two also code to the 2 codons. UUU, UUC. UUU, UUC also code to the what? 2 codon. UUC and UUU. These are code to the phenylalanine amino acid. Phenylalanine. Note down fast. Very good. These are very important for NEET point of view in molecular biology. Over. So 2 coded is over. Then write the 3 coded amino acids. How many are there? Yes. Girls, over. Girls, completed. What happened, my girls? Okay. Now 3 coded amino acid. अब 3 कोडेड कौन सा है? एक ही है वो आइसोल्यूसिन. एक ही है आइसोल्यूसिन, दैट वन. AUU, AUC, AUA. 3 coded amino acid. 3 coded amino acids are only one. That is what? Isoleucine. Their code is what? AUU, comma AUC, AUC, comma AUA, AUA. These are code to the isoleucine. Isoleucine, right? Any amino acids are there to the what? 3 coded? Any amino acids are there? No, only one, that is isoleucine. Now next point, 4 coded amino acid. 4 coded amino acids. 4 coded amino acids are this total row. This total row. ऐसा याद रख ले रो को. ATPS. Starting letter ATPS. Okay. A means alanine. T means threonine. P means proline. S means serine. So नीचे से ऊपर ATP. You know already adenosine triphosphate. ATPS, right? So now 4 coded amino acid. First amino acid is what? UAU. UCU, okay, and then UCC, and then UCA, and then UCG. It's code to the what? Serine. 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 Okay. Next one. CCU. CCU, comma CCC, and then CCA, and then CCG. It's code to the what? These are code to the proline. Is code to the proline. Next box. AC, ACU, AC, ACU, and ACC, ACG, and ACA, ACA, and ACG, ACG. These are code to the what? 309 amino acid. 309 amino acid. Okay. Next one. G. Yes. Yeah. Which one? I wrote that serine and arginine. No. Serine and arginine is there now. Here also serine is there. Serine, 6. Serine likhe either? No. Serine are 6 coded amino acids, not 4 coded. Serine are 6 coded. Either they go. Either 2I serine or either 4I. So 6. CCU, CCC, and CCA. These are all proline, and then 309 over, and then GCU, GCC, comma GCA, and GCG. These are code to the what? Alanine. These are code to the alanine. Okay. Then valine. Valine is code to the what? These are also 4 coded amino acid. GUU, and then GUC, then GUA, then GUG. These are code to the valine. And here also glycine. What are GGU, comma GGC, comma GGA, comma GGG. These are code to the what? Glycine amino acid. Okay. So these are 4 coded amino acids. 4 coded amino acids are valine, glycine, proline, 309, and alanine. This total box, no, these are not serine. Serine is not, because of here another 2 amino acids are there. Proline, 309, alanine, valine, and glycine. 5 amino acids are 4 coded amino acids. 5 amino acids are 4 coded amino acids. What are they? Valine, glycine, proline, 309, and alanine. Okay, note down. No, that is not 2 coded. Serine and arginine 6 ma. Arginine also here 4 plus 2, 6. ARG. Serine here 2, here 4, 6. Clear, Mohammed? Mohammed, understood? Methionine only 1 coded. एक ही है इधर. AUG. Cysteine 2 coded. UGU, UGC 2 coded. Okay. Javed. Clear? Over? So 4 coded amino acids are over. Then now 5 coded amino acids are not there. Search. Any 5 coded amino acids are in the table? Search that. Any amino acids are coded to the 5 codons? see that. Yeah, glycine is 4-coded amino acid. Glycine 4-coded now. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-coded. Mohammed, sorry, Malik. Clear? Girls. Okay. Now 5-coded is not there. Next 6-coded amino acids. Completed? Next. Next 6-coded amino acids. 3-coded is over. 1-coded, 4-coded, 5-coded is not there. Now 6-coded amino acids. Say 6-coded amino acids are 3-coded. Stop codons not include because of they are not code to the amino acid. वो amino acid को नहीं code करता. That's these two UAA, UAG and this one UGA does not code the amino acid. Starting introduction में बोल देना, बोलिए ना, क्या बोल के 61 codons are code to the amino acid, remaining 3 codons are not code the amino acid. वो point बोले ना starting में. So that's why these 3 are not coded. Mohammed, these 3 are not coded to the amino acid, right? Very good. Now 6 coded amino acids. 6 coded amino acid. अभी बोलना आप टेबल देख के बोलो, देखेंगे क्या क्या है 6 coded amino acids. ये तो है ना ल्यूसिन, ल्यूसिन 1 है और इधर सेरीन 4 है, इधर 2 है, 6. Now here arginine 2 and here arginine 4, 6. Now any, right? So 6 coded amino acids are what are leucine. Leucine से leucine UUA से कोड करेगा, UUG से कोड करेगा और CUU से CUC से, ओके, एंड CUA से एंड CUG से. These are code to the what are leucine amino acid. Leucines are code to the what are the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 codons, right? Next is what arginine. इधर देखो arginine, sorry serine. Serine is what UCU, UCC and then UCA, sorry UCC, UCA and UCG. UCG, these are code. ये 4 हो गए ना. और इधर 2 AGU, AGU and AGC, AGC. These are code to the which amino acid? Serine amino acid. Serine amino acid. Serine amino acid. Okay. Now one more. CGU, CGU, CGC, CGA, CGG, CGG. Okay. And then here AGA, AGA and AGG, AGG. These are code to the what which amino acid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 codons. These are code to the which amino acid? Arginine. arginine or arginine. Okay, clear? Yes, lysine. No, lysine is what, only two codons. Lysine is what, only two codons. Leucine, LEU. Yes, very good. Leucine is what? Six codons. Serine, six codons, and arginine, six codons. Clear now? By heart these codons. These are very, very important for NEET. Over. Yes, how the questions are framed means here give the what, any three codons, for example UCC or UCA, for example UCA and UCG. These codons are code to the which amino acids? Option A serine, option B leucine, option B arginine, option D none of this. Now give to the which option किसमें है? UCC ये देखो और UCA इधर देखो और UCG ये. So these codons are code to the serine. Okay. Or one more question. How many amino acids are coded to the six codons? How many amino acids are coded to the six codons? Three amino acids. What are there? Serinic, leucinic, and argininic. Right? Which amino acids are coded? Only one codon. Tryptophan, methionine. Right? How many amino acids are coded to the only two codons? This box. Histidine, glutamic acid, tyrosine, asparagine, lysine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid. Right? This type of questions are asked in the NEET. Clear? Clear, ma? Now, अब बोर्ड के लिए important. Genetic, what salient features of genetic code? Salient features of genetic code. Genetic code का features क्या है देखेंगे अब. ये रफ करना अब. ये रफ कर देना. These are completed. Yes. Now put a heading salient features of genetic code or salient. Put a heading salient features of genetic code. Point 1. Salient features of genetic code. Salient features of genetic code. First feature. 63 codons are coded to the amino acid. 3 codons does not code the amino acid. That is UAA, UAG, and UGA. Okay. 61 codons. 61 codons are coded to the amino acid. 61 codons are coded to the amino acids. Okay, 3 codons are does not. 3 codons are does not. 3 codons are does not code to the amino acid. Code to the amino acids is called stop codons. Are called stop codons. Are called stop codons. क्या है वो stop codons? UAA, UAG and a UGA. These three are what stop codons. Next one. Second salient feature. These are already discussed in the starting. Okay. Next one. अब देखो codons are universal. Codons are what? Universal. In bacteria, in human beings also, same codons. For example, UUU is there in the prokaryotic bacteria and us, multicellular eukaryotes. So that UUU is code to the what? Phenylalanine. Include in bacteria and in human beings like eukaryotes. So codons are universal in prokaryotic bacteria, multicellular animals, except mitochondria. Except mitochondria. Okay. Codons are universal. Codons are universal. Okay. In bacteria and human beings also. In bacteria and human beings. Human beings. Like example, UUU code to the what? Phenylalanine. UUU is code to the what? Phenylalanine in bacteria and human beings also. So these codons are what? Universal. Exception in mitochondria. Okay, and etc. Next one. When read the codons on the mRNA. अब देखो ये समझो एक mRNA है. These are mRNA begins with a 5 and end with the 3. अब इधर mRNA पे codons है. These are what codons. When read the codons on the mRNA, अब इधर समझो UAG, okay, UCA, like UUU and UAG समझो. When read the what are these codons on the mRNA, no punctuations means what are no commas, no full stops are there in between the codons. Understood? No commas, no full stops when we read the what mRNA. That's what it's called. No punctuations. These are what continuous fashion. Okay. When read the mRNA sequence, when read the mRNA sequence, no punctuations. No punctuations. It's a continuous fashion. It's a continuous. It's a continuous fashion. Okay. Right. Next one. See. Next point. Codons are degenerate. What is the meaning of degenerate? अब सेरेन को कितना कोडान से कोड किया? सेरेन अमीनो एसिड को 6 कोडान से कोड किया. ल्यूसिन को 6 कोडान से कोड किया. आइसोल्यूसिन को 3 कोडान से कोड किया. हिस्टिडीन को 2. ग्लूटामिक एसिड को 2. एस्पार्टिक एसिड को 2. Okay. So means what are some amino acids are coded more than one codon, maybe 3, some are 4, some are 6, not 5. Okay, so these are called degenerate. What is the meaning of degenerate? Some amino acids are coded more than one codon. Some amino acids are coded more than one codon. It's called Some amino acids are coded, more than one codon is called degenerate or degeneracy. Some amino acids, next point, some amino acids, some amino acids, some amino acids are coded more than one codon. More than one codon is called what? Is called degenerate. Degenerate. Okay, degenerate. And here is what it's called? Continuous fashion. No punctuation is there. And then is what a universal underline. Codons are what? Universal. And the 61 codons are code to the amino acids. Remaining 3 is not code to the amino acids called stop codons. And one more genetic feature. Last point. AUG. AUG. AUG act as a dual role. AUG codon act as a what a dual role. क्या dual role में act करता है नो? Means it initiate the translation को start करता है नो. Initiate the translation and also code to the methionine met amino acid. Okay, AUG as a dual role is a dual role. One. What is the role one? What is the role one? AUG initiate the translation. Initiation means start. AUG initiate the translation and also what? Code to the. These are first role. Second role is what? And code to the which amino acid? Methionine amino acid. Methionine amino acid. Clear? So these are 5 genetic features are there. Sorry, 5 features are there in the genetic code. Any doubts in this? Boys and girls, any doubts? Note down fast. No, is it? Yeah. Means actually, what is the important here? Means when DNA is transcribed from DNA to what's formed? mRNA is formed. mRNA to what? Protein. This protein is expressed. This protein is expressed in different function. Javed, understood? Note down fast. Over. Yes. Next. Translation. Now today we discuss the what is introduction of translation and which are required to the translation. What are required to the translation? Okay, ये देखेंगे. Now complete now. What is the translation? Already we discussed in introduction class. What is the translation? What happened in the translation? What is the translation? Yeah, code answer specific means, for example, you is there now. Code answer specific. ये state book का point है. Code answer specific. For example, अब you है और UUC है ना. These are code to the only phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. अब AUG है. These are code to the what only methionine meta. But this codons does not code to the any other amino acid. ये triple U or WC is not code to the what serine amino acid. It's code to the only phenylalanine. अब AUG है. ये AUG only code to the methionine, does not code to the any other amino acid. That's why codons are called specific. Codons are called specific because that codons are code to the only that amino acid only. अब triple U है, that codons are code to the what only phenylalanine amino acid. Or UUC also code to the phenylalanine but not code to the lysine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, does not code. It's called specific. Clear? Clear ma? कोडांस आर यूनिट ऑफ द जेनेटिक कोड नहीं. ये कोडांस कई को कोड करता बोले तो अमीनो एसिड को कोड करने के लिए कोड करता. अब एक अमीनो एसिड है, अभी बोल रहे ना अमीनो एसिड है, वो अमीनो एसिड को कोड करना बोले तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, कोड आंसर इंपॉर्टेंट. जावेद बाद में आता है, कई को इंपॉर्टेंट है, कई को ये कोड आंसर इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में ट्रांसलेशन में आता. And now what is the translation? ये पॉइंट क्लियर है स्पेसिफिक बोल के? These are clear? Yes, amino acids. Now in the translation, in translation what happened? Formation of mRNA to proteins, right? Translation means formation of mRNA to proteins. Formation of mRNA to proteins are called translation. So a translation में कौन सा क्या होता? What happened in the translation? Copy the nitrogen bases to nitrogen bases to or polymerize to what are nitrogen bases to amino acids. Nitrogen bases to amino acids. Clear? Polymerize the 5 minutes. Polymerize the nitrogen base. कैसा polymerize होगा? Amino acids जैसा polymerize होगा. और ये amino acids क्या बनता है इधर? क्या बनाता है? What makes the amino acids? It makes the water proteins. These amino acids made the water proteins. Okay, right. So in the translation process, what are required in the translation? In the translation required, the ribosome is required. Ribosome is required and a tRNA is required. tRNA is required and then these are tRNA is required, then mRNA is required, mRNA, and then require the what? ATP is required. ATP is required. These four: ribosome, tRNA, mRNA, ATP are required. Now we discuss the what a ribosome. Ribosome का role क्या है in the mRNA? What is the role of ribosome in the mRNA. Now we discuss. You know, ribosomes, how many types of ribosomes are there? First year topic again, cell biology, cell unit of life. How many types of ribosomes are there? What doubts in grand test paper? Javed, send that question. Yes, very good. 70 and 80. So which ribosome is involved in the translation means 80S ribosome. 80S ribosome is involved. 80S ribosome is involved. इतना doubts है. Protein cannot act as a genetic material because of no replication. प्रोटीन रिप्लिकेट नहीं करता, इसीलिए ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल नहीं बनाता ना, नहीं होता वो कैरेक्टर नहीं बनता. ओके, देन 25, that question number is 25. And then the semi conservative DNA we discuss tomorrow. We have only 5 minutes now. We discuss tomorrow. We have only 3 minutes. Navid, don't worry about that. Okay. So how many types of, which type of ribosome involved in the translation? 80S ribosome. Okay, you know already 80S ribosome have how many subunits? कितना subunits रहता है 80S ribosome को? 80S ribosome have how many subunits? Very good. What are there? 2 subunits. Okay, larger subunit and a small subunit. Small subunit have what 40 years and a large subunit have what 60 years, right? Very good. This small subunit in the ribosome, small subunit associate with the mRNA. ये small subunit किससे associate होगा? mRNA से associate होगा. Clear? Clear? What? Which subunit is associated with the mRNA? इधर लिख लो. mRNA associate. बुक में encounter बोल के रहता. mRNA is associate. mRNA is associated with the. mRNA is associated with the what? Smaller subunit. Smaller subunit of ribosome. Smaller subunit of ribosome. Okay. In a large subunit, have what 3 sites. In our book gave the what 2 sites, but actually it's have what 3 sites. We are follow through the what NCRT. Generally it's have what how many sites are 3 sites. A site, P site, E site. A site, P site and E site. A site is amino acid binding site. P site is peptide bond site. And E site is tRNA exit site. Okay, note down here. A site is site A is amino acid binding site or receiving site, and the P site is polypeptide site, polypeptide bond site or polypeptide bond formation site. E site is exit tRNA exit site. tRNA exit site. In our book gave the water only AP, Andhra Pradesh. A site, P site is there. Polypeptide formation site and then A site, amino acid bind site. Right? So ribosome, which type of ribosome is involved in the translation? Which type of ribosome is involved in the translation? 70 or 80? Which type of ribosome is associated with the translation? 70S ribosome or 80S ribosome? Very good. 80S ribosome. And which subunit is which subunit of ribosome associate with the mRNA? Which subunit of ribosome associate with the mRNA? कौन सा subunit mRNA से associate होगा? Very good. Smaller subunit 40, and in the larger subunit, yes, very good. In the larger subunit have how many sites? How many sites? Generally 3 sites. But we are what based on the NCRT. Larger subunit have what? How many sites? 2 sites. How many sites? 2 sites. Generally it's about how many sites? A site, B site, and E site. E site mean what? E site indicates the what? E site indicates the what? E site indicates. E site indicates. Very good. tRNA exit site. tRNA exit site. And then P site. Site P is. Site P is. Yes, very good. What is the role of site P? Peptide bond site. Very good. Site A. Site A. Very good. So tomorrow we discuss the tRNA, already mRNA, role of tRNA and role of ATP we discuss tomorrow, and we are discuss also translation process. We discuss the translation process tomorrow, right? Any doubts, girls and boys? Any doubts? What double bond polypeptide amino acid bonds are doubt also of mine. What that? Javed. Grand test we also discuss tomorrow. Javed, we discuss tomorrow grand test, okay? Which questions you have doubt? Round up that questions. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you to all.